Hello guys, it's a property tour, a series of my planning of this to show you some properties around Austin. And the first tour here is a Serene Hill subdivision and community in Lakeway, Texas, and it was taken like 2015, like approximately 4 years ago, part of the Parade of Homes program. And the location wise here is Austin area and westbound Lakeway near the Bee Cave is is an uptown high-end community. Is near the Lake Travis, and it's beautiful, lots of greenbelt, great views. As you see, this one custom built houses, and this is like combination with the spectacular greenbelt view. The view with like infinite, the pool is awesome with the combination, and all the builders are custom builder, and the kitchen design is fabulous. See, it's really nice. Oops, sorry, let me bring it. Let me see. Yeah, here. Okay, so the is a modern look, and with the ensemble with the nature and interior fully staged, and the time was constructions going on at the time, but still overall it's awesome. Here that really awesome here. See, the scenery is amazing from the pools and properties, and it's amazing here. Sorry about that. Let me reload. Oh yeah, good. See the bathrooms. Yeah, bathroom is right here. Yeah, awesome, right? And lighting is fabulous. Yeah, from the inside, and the pool, it's amazing. And all the houses at the time, I remember somewhere between like 1.89, 2 million, 2.2. So the houses you're looking at that range, it's awesome. See the pool, and with the greenbelt hill country, magnificent view. It's awesome here. Yeah, that's a lovely house. It's awesome, right? And yeah, from through the window, see, like a little passage in the upper floor, driveway. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It's awesome view here. Nice and nice house. Okay, what else? See, this inside, really good. Yeah, the cabinet inside, the bathroom combination, walk-in closet, and living room. See, it's a masterpiece. Oh, this is one of my favorite. So with the table, tea table, and it's terrace and awesome view outlook from the property. See, this is awesome. Yeah, that 4 years ago construction was going on that time, but now it should be finished, completed already, and already sold. The lighting here is amazing here. Yeah, see the lighting? It's amazing here. It's a beautiful scenery again. Oh, love this. See, it's gorgeous. The pool here is like art. Sorry, it's not a good image here, but you know what I'm talking about here. It's really amazing. See, inside, amazing view. Sorry, the quality is not good, photo quality, but as you see, it's amazing here, everything. Alright, so I'm going to do another series of operative homes and property tour with different community. Thanks for watching.